calankaygow calankeena qalliga qosoliyaho kugumaan helin dhiig baa ku qulqulay qoom baa ku naf waayo qabriyada la geeye sidii lagugu taagi lahaa xagga sare lagu geyn lahaa salaan sharaf kugu saarleen calankeeno hadhicin calankeeno kusalane calankeeno hadhicin calankeeno kusalane hadhicin calankeeno quursiga adanaga dulqade qalbigana ducabaan kaga soo tufe quraankana markastaan kugu dulaqnayni ma ilowa sidan kugu helna kugu tagnay qalibaad nagu tahay kana ku samaynay maalin iyo habeenaa garabkaaga nahayo heeganba ku nahay cadowgii ku quursado qoortanka jari nafteenuna ada heegan kuu tahay inaadan leecin wada jir ku nahay cadow kuu qori mayno shisheeyo ku sii mayno qabiil kuu dhibi mayno qurba kuu qaadi mayno jiro joog weligaa waddankaad iftiin u tahee calankaygow calankeena
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته وإني وذا سلامنا دمان أخيارتا ماشي كجرت يكون عن كجرين با
نوع والبوتين
وحا إذن لنا هاي جمعة مبارك شمس انجوي يا شمسية أحد ونكسن ما شاء الله ديارد واسوك إنا يمانتا واسلا وذا سعونا أنا عبدي نجم نشاد سيد أمين انجوي على حسين حالا كان صومالي أيان تذكرني ويدينا يا خفكي كجوابه
أنا السينة يا
هدية أيا هل كان كجرت أنا عبدي
بقرة السينة
أيا سينا exactly خفكي قفنا زفنيا كدينا إنت قرنيس إنكلا وايش لو جاهنا إنجويا
صوماليا
هنولاتا
صوماليا
هاي إسرائيل
هذا وإلك أنت
Excuse me sir, would you mind me to ask you a small question? If you get the right answer, I promise you she's gonna give you a prize. The question is, can you recognize this flag? Which country belongs to? You try. It is somewhere in Africa.
Somewhere in Africa?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What about you?
Try
Huh? Just say any other country.
Guinea.
Guinea, no.
أيوه
Senegal.
Senegal
It is from Somalia.
Somalia?
Have you ever heard before Somalia?
No.
This is the first time.
No,
yes.
Listen, yeah, for sure.
You have
I
before.
understand you.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's East Africa.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you, bro. What's your
Nice
name?
to meet you. John.
John.
Yeah.
Me, Mr. Enjoyer.
Okay.
Anna.
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 Okay.
Where you
Thank
from?
you. From north of Spain.
Oh, I like Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Yeah. What about you?
We are from Real Sociedad.
Real Sociedad.
Yeah.
We're gonna beat you all the time.
Okay
Thank you. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I just wanna ask you a small question.
If you win I give you something okay
Yeah, she's gonna give you a prize. Okay, can you mention this flag? Which country belongs to?
Country Somalia.
Masha Allah. Enjoy. You did it. See, enjoy it. Yeah, you are the first man who mentioned this country. Where you from, my brother? Iraq. Wow, we are brothers. We are from Somalia. We are still Jama'at Arabta. Yeah? Thank you so much. God bless you. Enjoy.
waxay yaqaaneen hal dollar iyo badh
I
waa isaaminaya
enjoy.
walaa friida waay laakiin
Oh, bro, excuse me. I want to ask you one question. If you don't mind, can I ask?
What?
I just want to ask you one question. If you don't mind, can I ask?
No. I didn't use me.
Oh, you know no English?
Yes, my English a little.
A little bit.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you speak Chinese?
Spanish.
Chinese?
Chinese. Ni hao. Sheshe. It's okay if you don't understand. It's okay. You know this flag?
Flag.
Oh, this flag?
Yeah. Just
if you win I give you prize
This flag?
yeah.
Which country?
Yeah. Which country? Just guess. I give you gift if you
win.
can. If you get the right answer.
Sudan?
No.
Sudan, no.
Sudan. It's
near
yeah.
This
Near
is Malaysian.
No, Malaysia.
No, Malaysia. Malaysia is this?
No, we're Malaysian.
No.
No, it's
Sudan.
Africa, you're right.
Africa, you're right.
But not Sudan.
It's Africa.
Africa, which country?
Africa.
Okay.
Africa.
Africa, it is Africa, you're right.
Okay.
But which
Many
country?
countries Africa, you know.
See how beautiful is it? This is enjoy a flag.
No, I
The
don't.
sky.
It's blue and the flag is blue.
Blue is,
There's a star.
This country,
Yes.
west side.
Somalia. Somalia. It is
Somalia?
Somalia. Somalia.
Do you know Somalia?
Have you ever heard before Somalia? Someone say Somalia, so I come from Somalia. You know?
You see.
I know.
What's the capital of Somalia?
They do football and support is no.
Yeah, well,
yes,
yeah.
because they
Wow.
Enjoy our day. Thank
no,
you.
very good. Yes, I love support.
Oh, mashallah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Enjoy our day.
Thank you.
You missed the gift. Enjoy next time, huh? Excuse me. How are you guys? Yeah. We're just making a public video. I just want to ask you guys a question. If you don't mind, can I ask? Simple question. Trust me. If you get the right answer, I promise you're gonna give you a prize. Okay? Okay. Can you hold this? Can you recognize this flag?
Can I?
Yeah. Enjoy. Watch your you already. Yeah. You from Sudan, right? Yes. Yeah, that's why you.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Good guess. Yes,
Yeah.
Imran. Yes.
Because I can see. Enjoy كده.
ملبوطة.
Yeah.
ملبوطة.
هل حبة لسي.
هل حبة.
آه.
لعبة لا ولا.
لبضة لسي. Thank you. Enjoy. You know this flag?
Somalia.
Not Somalia. You heard from them, right? Have you ever heard before Somalia? Huh? This first time. This is the first time you heard it.
Yeah, this is like where?
Who belongs?
Oh.
You know Somalia. She tell already Somalia. Why you acting like this?
I don't know.
Really?
We met him 2 days ago.
Oh.
He's new.
Oh, where you from?
Yeah, he's
Turkey. Oh, Turkey. Lots of Somali people are Turkey. They stay Turkey.
Yes.
Well, a lot of friends have there.
years.
They enjoy. What's your name?
My name is Yusuf.
Yusuf. Me, enjoy. Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you. What's your name?
I'm bought.
Agwan. Me, Mr. Enjoy.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
to meet you. What about you?
Nice to meet you.
Noah.
guys.
Enjoy.
Nice to meet
God bless you. Thank you, guys. Say enjoy. Bye-bye. Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
I just want to ask you a simple question. If you don't mind, can I ask?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. If you get the right answer, I promise she's going to give you a gift.
Yes.
Okay? Okay. I'm sorry.
So okay, so.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you mention this flag? Which country belongs to? See. Hold. It is somewhere in Africa.
Africa.
Somewhere in Africa. Yeah.
Tu la sai, she was in Africa.
Hiya.
No, but I don't know.
You can guess, yeah?
Flag, no. Ne uno.
Namibia?
No. And you can guess, right?
The prize, the prize. We have to find the solution.
You can try. You are good. It's good to try.
Ethiopia.
Not, it is close to Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is
Yeah. It's too close to Wallahi. It's close to Ethiopia. You can.
Somalia.
Wow! Enjoy. Wallahi, you did it, wallahi. Enjoy. You make it.
Adesso facciamo la foto.
Definitely. We're gonna take photo when we
Okay,
finish.
with this one.
Okay, with the flag. Yeah. Get close to us.
Somalia. Who is from
Yeah.
Somalia?
Oh, both of us.
A photo of you and her with the winner.
What? Okay, with the winner. You are the winner. Yes.
Yeah, of course I'm the winner.
You are the winner. No. Middle. Come with us. Yeah.
The winner is...
Nice.
Thank you. Na waan ka qaadnaa waxaan soo dhigaynaaba.
Yeah, wow.
winner.
Beautiful.
Wow, beautiful.
She is the winner. You should give her a prize.
I give you money.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Enjoy
Where
her.
you come from?
Italy.
Italy.
Oh.
Okay. Saddex baan siinayaa.
Ah. She will give you enjoy.
Ringgit.
Yeah.
Money, yeah.
It's for you because you get the right answer. You are good.
Oh,
Yeah. ¿Cómo está, bene?
A joke?
No
No,
joke.
wallahi,
It's
no.
for you.
I
It's
swear,
enjoy.
I swear Allah.
With these ringgits, you can go to the toilet. Yes, because they ask for 1
Yeah.
ringgit or a 50
You are
cent.
tourism all. How long here?
Just yesterday and today.
Wow.
Oh, 2 days.
You're planning to stay longer? Oh, sure.
No, we are going to another place.
Wow.
We are traveling, visiting different
Yeah. Nice to meet you. What's your name anyway?
from Syria.
Sidia, Mr. Enjoyer.
I live here.
Joya?
Enjoy, yeah.
We enjoy like
Because I enjoy every day.
and you are a couple.
No, we are just enjoying.
Your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
And we are a group of team enjoy. We just make videos, you know.
And you wanted to let people know which is the flag of Somalia?
Yeah. Yeah, they know more better. You know, that's why we make this video. Yeah. Nice to meet
But
you,
you
enjoy.
take a video, no?
Like it.
Yeah, we are taking the camera over there.
Yeah.
Yanka, enjoy. Thank you, guys. God
It
bless
was
you.
really a pleasure.
Yeah, wallah, billah. What are you calling? What about? She wants to invite you, you know.
To what?
Invite
Ah, okay.
her home. Will you accept her?
Waxaan siinayaa, waxaan u sameynaa. I make food culture in Somalia.
Somali cultural food. Do you know popular Somali food like banana, anjero?
Anjero.
No, I don't know what is anjero.
Anjero.
Anjero is some
Cultural.
kind of cultural Somali food,
Okay.
traditional.
I don't know. I've never been there.
Do you
Yeah,
have an airdrop?
yeah. We have also.
Would you
Yeah,
like to send
yeah,
you the photo?
yeah. Kadirsa. Okay, I'm gonna stop, bro. I just wanna ask you a small question. If you get the right answer, I
give you
promise
money.
she's gonna give you a gift or prize. Okay? Which country belongs this flag? If you get the right answer, I'm gonna make you enjoy. Just try.
Kor u qaad ku dhinsan kaasa ka hadalnaayo.
It is somewhere in Africa. Rice. Yeah, this is the flag.
Say Somalia ha noolaato.
Somalia. Somalia. It is Somalia.
Maya lacagta ma helin anaa sheegay.
Haya.
Laakiin Somalia ha noolaato. Say Somalia ha noolaato. Somalia
Faster.
ha noolaato. Yes.
Yes, enjoy.
Where are you come from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Hal ringgit see. You get only half question. This is for you.
No,
You
this
should
is for
take.
you.
Just buy in Ruku.
take.
Buy, you can buy Ruku.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, bro.
Netherlands.
Netherlands, Holland,
yeah.
Dutch.
Okay.
Oh, alles
Can we
goed.
start here? Can we start here?
Why?
I ask some questions, okay? Okay.
If you don't mind, can I ask?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dhinacan u jeedi adi.
Can you stand here?
Oh, thank you.
If you get the right answer, she will give you a gift. Okay. Which country belongs
Here.
this flag? Can you recognize this flag?
I have no clue.
No, you have to try. It is somewhere in Africa.
In Africa.
Yeah. A lot of our brothers, they are in Netherlands, Holland.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, just say any
Namibia?
country. Namibia, no? East Africa.
East Africa.
Yeah.
Okay.
You also try.
I don't know about 20.
Look how beautiful is
It
it.
is a beautiful country.
Yeah.
Wow.
It is enjoyable.
Are you from this country?
Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you, but you have to try first.
I don't think so. Okay.
See?
In East Africa, I know almost nothing.
Okay.
Okay, I have no clue. Is this really bad? This is really bad.
Misery.
It's okay. Somalia.
Somalia.
Somalia, yeah. Have you ever heard before?
Never.
Really?
No.
Oh, I know even some of what is of Netherlands, but I never been there. Alles goed. Ik ga van ja. Niet zo.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Thank you, guys.
Mila.
Mila.
Magnus.
Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
Okay, you're just asking around if someone knows the country.
Yeah.
And what is it exactly for?
just asking the people if they don't know well about this country.
And maybe like to spread awareness as well.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What do you love most about your country?
Oh, banana
Yeah.
and anjero and milk of camel.
Yeah.
We have popular foods.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's see.
It's enjoy.
Yeah, tourism?
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
This is the 8th day, so
8
we leave
days.
tomorrow.
Okay. You're just taking a
waxaan rabay
few
inaan
days.
marka qaado laakiin way noqon.
Yeah, she wants to invite you, you know, if you're gonna stay long here.
That's so nice. We
Yeah.
will come back sometime.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be
Next
like in
time.
a few months.
So maybe you'll
yeah.
interview us again and then we will know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
No
We've done
worries.
our research.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subscribe my channels all.
Yeah,
Subscribe.
true.
You can watch on this video our YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have data.
Qasab, waa lagu qasbayaa.
Malaha
Waa la
ganun
barayaa,
yan.
waa la-
Yeah.
I'm curious what you guys do.
Yeah, it's okay.
But are you here like short term or?
No, I've been here for 6 years.
Wow.
Anna is also 3 years,
Nice.
you know.
Yeah, it's a great place.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nice
Thank
to
you
meet
so much. Okay.